Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your terrific Tuesday weather update. For the next couple of days, for the next couple of days, I think the predominant theme is going to be fair and quiet. So, not really any major uh, issues with storms. We might even get into the 60s in lower Sussex County. We have some minor rain in the system for Saturday. Nothing dramatic, but uh, highs in the 40s, so it'll be a little cooler rain, colder rain, and generally that's it. There's no how do I say real excitement, and sometimes be careful what you wish for because then you get the rage of weather, rage of Mother Nature. Okay, so I think the big story still is if you can do something for those in Kentucky. There's a number of Facebook pages, but make sure you are you are doing the right one. Okay, um, there's Kentucky for Red Cross. There's Kentucky Red Cross, which is legit. And then the one that I showed you the other day online was legit. So make sure if you are doing something in that neighborhood that you make sure it's legitimate. And I wouldn't steer you towards anything that wasn't. So this is the potential. This is the how should I say non official map of this disaster, and you can just see. I mean, this thing was. I mean, I have no words for it. I've never seen it. I mean, the last time an event like this happened, sorry, that an event like this happened was in 1925. So I think that's going to blow that out of the water. So it started down here in Monette, Arkansas, and Lake City, and traversed all the way. I mean, almost like a straight line. I mean, there's no deviation. There's a little couple bumps right or left, but it pretty much was a straight arrow. Wow. That is a lot of towns, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's upwards of 20 towns in 1, 2, 3, 4 states. Wow. Uh, yeah. And they have not come up with a rating system yet. I mean, with a rating, and it's going to take them it's probably going to take them more than a week to come out with a rating. Well, let's just say we're going to start at an EF3 and we're going to go up from there. At minimum, I mean, it might have started somewhere in the neighborhood of down here as an maybe an EF2, and it just slowly, it was rising. And that's another thing. It was traversing on elevated land, so the inflow of warm air was being sucked into this thing, and it just became a behemoth. I mean, there's one photo on a highway somewhere in Kentucky before it hit Mayfield. I think it was down here. Maybe it was in Tennessee, but it was like a flash of lightning happened. And if you've seen the movie Twister, and you see the lightning, and then you see the tornado happen, and then it blows away the the outside drive-in movie theater. That's pretty much how this one looked. So this is the latest. has confirmed 7 tornadoes hit Middle Tennessee. Um, Teams are still evaluating the magnitude of the tornadoes that hit southern Kentucky, touching down for more than 200 miles. Whoa. Whoa. Hundreds are still missing and unaccounted for. Hundreds are still unaccounted for in Mayfield, Bowling Green, Dawson Spring, and more. Oh, geez, that's even worse. Hartford, among other places. Over 300 National Guard troops have been called in 9 Kentucky counties. Jeez, unbelievable. All right, that's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Daily Weather Guy. Have a great Tuesday.